Will you agree with me that job security is not guaranteed for any person that is being employed? At any time, you can be laid off. At any time, your salary can be reduced, or you can be transferred from one area to another, the area that you don't deserve. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing for you 5 best guarantees and reminders why you must make money with your smartphone even if you have a job today, because that job you have, it can be in a twinkle of an eye. Remember, you're working for somebody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is the video that is going to be an eye-opener for you. The person who has been watching me for years, I'm telling you that you guys make money with your smartphone. This is a moving office. This is an office that you don't need to pay rent. It's an office that no one has control over. It's an office that can give you even the business ideas, even the passive business ideas, income ideas that you didn't know. The only thing you need to know to do, you need to focus, you need to see, okay, it's true, I have a mobile office. What, how, and what? You can do this by making sure that you know there are reminders that in this life, if you don't consider these reminders, one way you might cry, another day you might even end up being having depression. So in today's video, I'm going to dive into these 5 reminders that should push you and you say, no, enough is enough, my smartphone, my job security. So, but before I dive into these reminders, I would love to say thank you for every engager, and especially to Immaculate Show people. You know, engagement, is it Facebook, is it YouTube, is it TikTok, any social media platform, engagement equals reach, engagement equals views, engagement equals money at the end of that day. So thank you very much. I love you so much. And to you subscribers who just subscribers, I'm seeing you. Thank you for being part of our family. Sincerely, you're in the right place. What you need to do, you need to take the 10% that I'm giving you, let it be a doorway for you to look for the 90% that you're supposed to search for. Guys, don't forget, I'm not a financial guru, I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a lady that have used a smartphone and I'm proud of it. And I've decided, let me share with you. If you want to take it, take it. If you don't want, but I'm going to keep giving you these tips. So if you want any masterclass for detailed information, write it in the comment section. DM me, come to my email, come to my inbox. I'll be there for you. Let's dive in and see what are these 5 important reminders today. The first one is job security, which is not guaranteed as in terms of job. You guys, whoever is being employed, I'm also employed right now. Yes, and I've been employed for a long time. But let me tell you, companies don't give you job security. Layoffs happen sudden. Layoffs happen anytime. Changing of positions, demotions, reducing salaries, even no salary increments are always there. So I want to station yourself and know there is an office that for it has no layoffs, for it has no demotions, for it has no transfers, for it there are no strings attached. That office, you hold it in your hands, all powers are in you. So you need to know that, because the moment you know this, you'll know that your smartphone has always has been in your hands. That one is a financial gadget. The second one is extra income builds freedom. Here we are talking about financial freedom. Guys who have earned salary, you know it, and you will testify. I want you to write it in the comment section. Whenever you're earning salary, you're just running like in a rat race, a poverty circle rat race. You get this salary, the same amount of money, bills increase, responsibilities increase, but year after year, month after month, when the month is reaching 50th, you're already budgeting for the next month. I've been there. By the I'm still getting salary. I know what it means. Salary is just a push for you to open up your eyes, to buy the smartphone, to do other things. In fact, you might not do any investment, by the way. The only thing salary will lie with is to get a car on loan, is to get a house, is to get everything on loan, and you feel you're rich. But mind you, Start today. The extra income of $0.5, $10, $20 can grow, you guys, on a daily basis to 500 to 1,000. And at the end, you'll find that it's only just your phone that can make you have financial freedom. You can stand and say, no, I don't want to do this. You can stand and say, today I want to go for vacation, because this extra income can pay your bills. Extra income can grow up, as in you can decide to say, no, I'll make $1,000 this month, and how will I do it? I'll do B, C, D. If I've been doing $50, you do the math. The matrices are very open. If I've been doing $100 when I'm doing one video a day and I have a low audience, what about if I concentrate on 2 tool videos? Either will be near multiplying $100, or I'll make more than double of $100. So it is up to you to sit down and say, extra income builds financial freedom. But if you remain on the other money, you'll be that kind of a woman, that kind of a man who is always yes, yes. And you know, with this, the management, especially the managers who are not trained, who don't have that training, they are born and find themselves in a field and they find themselves hierarchy going up. They have not studied, they are not empathetic. These are the ones who will be loving, yes sir, yes madam, and they have that inferiority complex, of which it will be impacted on you. The third reminder is social media pays real money. It pays real cash. Yes, I've been on it. Which social media platform do you have? You have Facebook, you have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It pays real money. You went and bought that smartphone, which is very expensive. What? You're always scrolling people's, you want to see people's status. You want to see what someone has posted. Well, you can do the same. So Irotian says platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok are rewarding creators. Why you, by the way, you're seated at work scrolling people's photos. You're seated where, but you don't know what is coming for you tomorrow. There is no one who is above the law, provided you're being employed. Are you a manager? Are you a director? You are going to sip in the same cup like everybody, like your juniors. So whatever you're doing, instead of scrolling for nothing, you know that social media pays real. And if you want to know about content creation, I want you to check our previous video before this one. We talked about what is content. Most people think content is blogging. Content is this. No, this is, I'm not doing blogging, by the way. Back you? No, you can see this is content. Taking the photo, wherever you get excited, you get new mail. I'm seeing you take photo. I'm seeing you whenever you go for maybe a picnic, you take photo. Why should you take photo? The reason for taking photo, this is the one. So you have also the fourth reminder is your time online is equal to potential profit. You guys, why should you be online? You already spend hours on your phone. Turning that time into cash is the only smartest upgrade you can do. Others, you're like, you know, sometimes I normally laugh at people, say someone wants to upgrade for only less than $50, and the work is huge. Then there are these smart people who say, I cannot upgrade for $50 when work is, I can upgrade my watching on my presence online and make $1,000. Why not that? Let's now go to the fifth reminder, which is the final. It's preparation for the future. A side income today can grow into your main income tomorrow. Trust me. If you know you're still on a traditional job, get to know that one is your side income right now. Plan for your future job, and your future job is making money online. In this era, you're laid off, you're terminated, or there is a calamity like when COVID came. When it comes, you start crying. However calamity that will be there, however a disaster that will come, an outbreak that will come, social media online remains. Take advantage of this. So do you think right now I can be there and say, no, they've laid me off? No, I can't do that, because I've prepared. I know I have my office. You say bye-bye, I say you're welcome full time. So from today, get to know these five reminders at your fingertip. And I encourage you that